I rise for rice. I rise on behalf of our rice farmers and the rice industry now facing serious challenges in the aftermath of a deregulated rice industry. Ang nagpapakain sa atin, ang mga magsasaka, ay naghihirap at nagugutom. At kapag hindi natin tinutukan ang kanilang kahirapan at gutom, hindi malayong magugutom din ang buong bansa. We cannot have our food producers going hungry. We cannot hope to be food secure as a nation if we are not farmer secure as a people. The bigger issue is food security. How can we have food security when we are dependent on food imports? Kung nalulugi ang farmers dahil sobrang baba ang bilihin ng palay, hindi na sila magtatanim. Pag di na sila magtanim, lalong lalaki ang ating demand for imported rice, tataas ang presyo ng bigas. Panahon ito ng pagkilos para sagipin ang ating sakahan at ang ating magsasaka. Our farmers, our parents are starving and desperate. They need for us to act now.